आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay students, let's start solving this question. In this question we have to ask to determine a positive integer where n is less than or equal to 5, right, such that our integration 0 to 1 e to the power x into x minus 1 to the power n is equal to 16 minus 6e, right? So we have to solve this question, and the given integral is 0 to 1 e to the power x into x minus 1 to the power n is equal to 16 minus 6e, right? And where it is given that our n is less than or equal to 5, right? So considering this in mind, we are going to solve this question, right? So now our in is equal to integration of 0 to 1 e to the power x minus 1 to the power n dx is our integral, right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to use the integration by path method. So in this u into v dx, it is the standard form of integration by part, which is equal to u remain as it is, v dx minus integration of differentiation of u, right? So d by dx of u into v dx, right? So now guys, let's start solving this question with the help of integral by parts. So now it is x minus 1 to the power n into e to the power 0 to 1 e to the power x dx minus 0 to 1 differentiation of x minus 1 and d by dx, right? And integration of 0 to 1 e to the power x dx. So guys, now let's start solving this question. It is our x minus 1 to the power n into e to the power x, where the limit is 0 to 1, right? Minus, it became 0 to 1. When we differentiated, it became n into x minus 1 into n minus 1, right? And integration of this e to the power x dx, right guys? So now let's further solve this thing. So it is minus 1 to the power n plus 1, actually, right, minus of n minus 1, right, up to so on up to the last term, which is 1, right? Also we can see that I1 is equal to integration 0 to 1 e to the power x minus 1 dx, where we have to substitute n is equal to 1, right? So now guys, what we are going to get is it is equal to e to the power x. Again we are using the integration by part, so it is e to the power x into x minus 1 dx. Sorry guys, it is not dx actually. Yeah, actually it is dx, right? It is integration 0 to 1, right? Minus, it is going to be, yes, 0 to 1 differentiation of x minus 1 d by dx, integration 0 to 1 e to the power x dx, right? So now when we solved it, it became e to the power x into x minus 1 limit 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1 e to the power x dx, right? So now guys, what we are going to get is it is minus 1 minus of e to the power x, where we have to substitute value between 0 to 1, right? So now it is 1 minus e 1, right? So now it is equal to 2 minus of e, right? So guys, using this, consider, okay, this to be equation number 1, right? So okay guys, using equation number 1, right? So what we are going to get is I2 is equal to 1 cube minus 2 of I, right? which is 1 minus minus 1 minus 2 of 2 minus of e, which is equal to 2e minus of 5, right? Similarly, what is I3? I3 is going to be same, which is to the power 4 minus 3i2, right? So now it is going to be 1 minus of 3, 2e minus 5, which is equal to the given required question. So thus what is the value of n is finally going to be 3, which are satisfying the condition in this question. So answer of n is going to be our 3. So this is our answer where n is equal to 3. Thank you very much, student.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।